show me a thumbs up, like if you can hear me properly. Yeah? Okay, great. So, like Neha mentioned, this is an initiative of IICE cell of CV Raman. And this is a session for all the first year students. So you have just started your engineering journey. So congratulations to you all. You know, so these 4 years are going to be a lot of fun, lot of amazing things. So you have just started your journey. So many things you are going to learn. So today's session, we are going to talk about few things which are really, really essential for you as an individual and as a professional also. Like when you will be working in a company, it is going to really help you, right? So before starting the session, I want to ask you a question. So how many of you want to be successful in your life, right? आप में से कितने लोग लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल होना चाहते हो? यू कैन रेज योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस, और यू कैन यूज द जूम में रेज हैंड भी कर सकते हो, राइट? या सो ऑल ऑफ यू वांट टू बी सक्सेसफुल इन लाइफ. ऐसा कोई तो नहीं है कि जो सक्सेसफुल नहीं होना चाहता, राइट? यस. ओके, so I can see everybody is raising their hands. Okay, cool. So now you tell me, what do you need to be successful in your life? आपको क्या लगता है आपके पास ऐसा क्या होना चाहिए जिसके वजह से आप लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हो? What are something, it can be some traits, or what do you need in your life to be successful? You can just share. Okay, knowledge, definitely. Skills, definitely. Keep sharing whatever you feel, जो भी आपको लगता है. What is according to you? आपके हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए आपके पास? Talent, dreams and goals, determination, obviously, yes. Happiness, confidence, communication skills, personality, smart work, dedication, proper planning, positive attitude, trust on himself, passion, motivation, courage, positive mind, talent, money, internal happiness, hard work and smart work, proper concentration, satisfaction, positivity. Okay. Keep sharing attitude. Okay. Honesty, focus, goals. Yes, keep sharing, keep sharing. जो भी आपको लगता है, mentor. Yes. What else? Courage. Yes. कीप शेयरिंग. आपके हिसाब से आपको क्या लगता है आपको होना, आपके पास होना चाहिए? हैप्पीनेस एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ओके. लक, कंसिस्टेंसी, सेल्फ बिलीफ, डिसिप्लिन. ओके. हार्ड वर्क, पैशन, नो रिग्रेट्स. ओके. सो ऑल ऑफ यू शेयर्ड happy with my work, satisfied. Okay. Everybody shared, right? No fear to fail. Okay. Yes. Consistency, self-belief. Okay. So I'm so happy all of you shared so many things, right? आप सबने काफी participate किया, you shared many things, you know, but none of you told like you need the college degree. आप में से किसी ने ऐसा बोला नहीं कि कॉलेज की डिग्री चाहिए, अभी इंजीनियरिंग करने आए हैं, कॉलेज की डिग्री चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि वो तो मिलने ही वाली है. आपको पता है वही अभी क्या एडमिशन किया है सीवी रमन में, 4 साल पढ़ाई करेंगे, अपने को तो डिग्री सर्टिफिकेट मिलनी ही है, राइट? सो आई एम हैप्पी समबडी आंसर्ड नॉलेज. आप में से किसी एक ने तो एटलीस्ट नॉलेज आंसर्ड किया, बट बाकी अगर आप देखो 99% जनता ने बाकी सारी चीजों के लिए आंसर दिया, राइट? एंड you know why you answered like this? Because this is a fact. You know, the same question, जो question मैंने आपको अभी पूछा ना, ये same question स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम सुना है आप सबने? Have you heard about स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज? Yes. तो स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी के ग्रेजुएट्स को ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. So there also, like all of you, they mentioned about all these attributes, these qualities, like, you know, discipline, determination, you should be goal oriented, you should have focus, you should have confidence, you should have leadership qualities, time management, all this stuff जो आप सबने भी बताया, उन्होंने ये सब बताया. So you know, after that what they did, they divide these skills, these attributes into 2 sets. उन्होंने 2 सेट में इसको डिवाइड किया. उसमें से एक था डोमेन नॉलेज. द सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्टीज. कोई भी आप सब्जेक्ट पढ़ रहे हो, उस सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर आपको कितना नॉलेज होना चाहिए, दैट इज द डोमेन नॉलेज. एंड द अदर पार्ट वाज सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, जिसमें ये सारी चीजें आती है, लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज, ऑनेस्टी, कॉन्फिडेंस, कंसिस्टेंसी, all those things you mentioned, right? So all these things are part of soft skills. Now the second question comes, what do you think, to be successful in life, out of 100%, how many percentage of domain knowledge is required and how many percentage of soft skills are required? You can randomly guess. 100% में से कितना हमें डोमेन नॉलेज हमें होना चाहिए और कितना हमें सॉफ्ट स्किल्स होना चाहिए, लाइक ऑल दोज क्वालिटीज यू मेंशन. ओके, बोथ 100%. ओके, आई एम आस्किंग आउट ऑफ 100% टोटल अगर डिवाइड करोगे तो कितना? 30-50. Utsav is saying, so Utsav 30% to domain knowledge, 50% to soft skills. 50-50. 70 soft skills, 30 domain. Okay, so I'm getting answers. No idea. Okay, 75% soft skills, 25%. Okay, 80 soft skills, 20 domain. 60-40. Okay. Okay, the answer was 87.5% soft skills and 12.5% domain knowledge. Surprised? When I heard about this research, I also got surprised. Because अगर हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में देखें, if you consider India specifically, हमारे लाइफ में अभी तक, I am also an engineer, I also completed my BTech. So थ्रू आउट आवर करियर, पढ़ाई, जब भी हम पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, हमने पूरा फोकस कहाँ डाला है? या फिर अभी तक, आप तो अभी इंजीनियरिंग चालू कर रहे हो, स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, अभी तक अप टू योर 12th आपका पूरा फोकस कहाँ पे रहा है? स्टडीज पे, डोमेन नॉलेज पे, गैदरिंग मच मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन, नॉलेज. और सॉफ्ट स्किल्स के पर हमने हार्डली कभी कुछ ध्यान दिया है. ऐसा नहीं कि क्या नहीं होगा, कभी कुछ स्कूल में डिबेट कॉम्पिटिशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया होगा, कहीं पे कुछ किया होगा, राइट? बट कितना हमने सॉफ्ट स्किल के प्रति कितना ध्यान दिया है? हार्डली वी गिव importance to that thing, right? We were totally focused on the domain knowledge. But जब आप real world में जाते हो, when you work, you realize you really need to work on, you should have good soft skills. That is why in companies, when the HR come, there are 2 rounds. One is technical, then another one is HR round, where they judge about all these aspects, like whether you are able to work in a team, do you have leadership qualities, are you confident, like all these skills. Am I making sense? समझ में आ रही है बात आपको? Yes, no? Yes? Okay. Now, if you see all these qualities, जितना भी आपने इन सारे qualities को बताया, these qualities, these soft skills are actually from the level of our mind. If you are confident from the level of your mind, right? ये सारे जो leadership qualities है, confidence है, concentration है, having a clear vision about your goal, like, taking decisions, like having the ability to take proper decisions. All these things, all these soft skills are part of our mind, right? आपका mind से ये सारी चीजें related है. That's why the session we are having today is called Mind Hacks, right? So I'll tell about it. But before that, in today's session, I will specially speak about 3 qualities जो आप में होने चाहिए, which I feel to be successful, you should definitely have these 3 qualities. ठीक है, बाकी चीजें भी चाहिए, but these 3 qualities are very essential. The first one is concentration, right? Since all of you are students right now, आप सब अभी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, तो आपका सबसे जरूरी काम अभी क्या है? पढ़ाई, स्टडीज, राइट? क्योंकि 4 साल आपको एग्जाम्स देने हैं, आपको सीजी पे कुछ तो लाना है, एचआर के सामने तो दिखानी पड़ेगी ना. ऐसा थोड़ी है कि विदाउट एनी प्रॉपर सर्टिफिकेट जिसमें सारे बैक्स लगे हुए हो, यू कैन जस्ट गो थ्रू द इंटरव्यू. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You should have a decent CGPA. That is essential, right? And you should have knowledge also, right? So let's understand like how learning happens and how you can have better focus and concentration. पर ना यूजुअली हमें क्या लगता है, लाइक कंसंट्रेशन को लेके भी हमारे बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स है. कंसंट्रेशन का मतलब हम यूजुअली क्या सोचते हैं, व्हेन आवर माइंड इज टोटली फोकस्ड, व्हिच इज नॉट. इट इज लाइक हाफ ऑफ द definition of concentration. Concentration is when your mind is focused and relaxed at the same time, right? So let me give you an example जिससे आपको समझ में आए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज आपको ये न्यूज मिलता है कि 1 महीने बाद आपके सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स है. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, अभी है नहीं बिकॉज यू हैव रिसेंटली ज्वाइन. तो मान लो 1 महीने बाद आपके सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स है. तो ये सुनने के बाद आपका माइंड अभी किस स्टेट में है? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड अगर आपको ये न्यूज मिलती है एक महीने बाद एग्जाम्स है और ये आपके शेड्यूल है? तो आप क्या सोचते हो सबसे पहले? बताओ. सिलेबस. ओके, रीड सीरियसली. कौन है भाई ये? हाउ टू प्रिपेयर? दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग. शॉक, रश, स्टडी. ओके, रिविजन. आई थिंक सब पढ़ाकू लोग आए हैं इस सेशन के लिए. यू नो, प्रेशर, हाउ टू स्कोर, प्लान्स एंड प्रिपरेशन. ओके, टेंशन. ओके, आई एम गोना फेल. ओके, 1 मंथ बहुत है. ओके, ये जिसने बताया उसने सच बताया, बाकी सब एकदम 1 महीना है ये सब बोल रहे हैं, राइट? सो इट इज फैक्ट. यू नो, पहले जब हमें न्यूज आती है कि 1 महीना है, अरे 1 महीना है, चल, दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग द माइंड सेज. ऐसा नहीं कि यू नो, मान लो कि 2 दिन बाद एग्जाम है, तब माइंड क्या बोलता है? ओ माई गॉड, 2 days लेफ्ट. अभी अगर पढ़ाई नहीं की तो गया, बैक लग जाएगा. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टडी, राइट? So this is what happened. So see, 1 month before the exam, your mind is absolutely relaxed and it is not focused. And 2 days before your exams, what happens? Your mind is focused, but it is tensed. You know, क्योंकि बहुत सारा पढ़ाई करना रहता है. You know, usually engineering में ऐसा होता ही है, एक दिन पहले ही पढ़ाई करके लोग जाते हैं. But I will not recommend this thing to you, right? So study well. उसके ऊपर हम बात करेंगे. I'll speak more about learning how you should study. You know, but this is the scenario. So why I'm giving this example? Because in both the cases here, there is lack of concentration. यहाँ पे concentration है ही नहीं. You know, so that's why what happens, you know, when you go to the examination hall and you know, go through the question paper, तो एक question देख के आपको answer आता है and you write it. Suddenly ऐसे भी questions आते हैं जिसको देख के आपको लगता है yes, ये chapter से था, ये diagram था वहां पे, उस पेज में बाकी चीजें याद आती है पर वो एग्जैक्ट आंसर आपको याद नहीं आता. हैव इट एवर हैपेंड? ये आपके साथ हुआ है कभी? यू नो, वो पर्टिकुलर आंसर याद नहीं आएगा, फिर उस पेज में बाकी चीजें हैं, कौन सा चैप्टर था वो याद आता है, बट वो आंसर एग्जैक्ट नहीं आता है, राइट? होता है. यू नो व्हाई इट हैपेंस? बिकॉज योर माइंड इज स्ट्रेस्ड. दैट इनसाइड द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल ऑल्सो तुम्हारा दिमाग इतना स्ट्रेस्ड होता है कि वो आंसर याद नहीं आता है. एंड द मोमेंट यू गेट आउट ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल से बाहर जाने के बाद सडनली वो आंसर याद आता है एंड यू आर लाइक, ओ यार याद आ जाता, राइट? तो ऐसा होता है. सो अंडरस्टैंड, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज when your mind is focused and relaxed at the same time, right? एंड वो कैसा रहता है? जैसे कि मान लो आप नेटफ्लिक्स में कोई मूवी देख रहे हो, तब कोई आपको बोलता है क्या तू मूवी देखने जा रहा है 100% कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के साथ मूवी देख? कोई बोलता है क्या? फिर भी आप कैसे देखते हो मूवी? यू वॉच द मूवी विद दैट यू नो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, कि मूवी खत्म होने के बाद आपका दोस्त अगर कुछ पूछता है तो यू जस्ट गिव ऑल द डिटेल्स, यार मस्त है, ऐसा था वैसा था. एंड अगर लड़कियां हैं तो लड़कियां तो पूरा डिटेल में बताती है, हीरो ने कौन से कपड़े पहने थे, ज्वेलरी क्या थी, एवरी सिंगल डिटेल. They have got that level of memory, right? So just know that you have that concentration, but you don't know how to handle your mind properly, right? So that is this trick here. So if you know how to handle your mind, you can have that concentration while studying also. And it is not only about studying. Concentration is required in every field. So if you are a sport person, like अगर आप क्रिकेट खेलते हो या फिर चेस खेलते हो कहीं पे भी, वहां पे भी concentration चाहिए. Don't you agree? ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ पढ़ाई में चाहिए. अब बताओ, महेंद्र सिंह धोनी का अगर फोकस कंसंट्रेशन नहीं रहा गेम खेलते टाइम, तो क्या होगा रिजल्ट, राइट? सो इट इज रिक्वायर्ड एवरीवेयर इन योर वर्क फील्ड, व्हाटएवर यू डू, राइट? सो आई विल स्पीक मोर अबाउट इट. एंड द सेकंड थिंग, यू नो, second essential thing that you should have is confidence. Like concentration के साथ आप में confidence होना बहुत जरूरी है. Why? Because you might know a lot of things, but if you're not able to present yourself, then it is of no use, right? Many times in HR interviews, people get rejected because of this factor only, because they lack confidence, because they're not able to present themselves properly, right? So confidence is very, very essential. Now, again, confidence is also related to your mind. For example, if you see, we always doubt our capabilities. We never doubt our incapabilities. Like if you don't know something, you're very sure of it. Like for example, if somebody here does not know swimming, he is very sure that I can't swim. But if you know something, you really doubt it. Do I really know it properly? Right? We always doubt our capabilities. That is the tendencies of our mind, right? So another scenario. So let me give you an example. For example, I can see here Abhishek and Prabhat. So for example, अभिषेक कोई एक पार्टी में गया है, राइट? अभी तो लॉकडाउन की वजह से काफी कोई बाहर नहीं जा रहे. मान लो अभिषेक कहीं पे एक पार्टी पे गया है एंड ही इज लाइक वेल ड्रेस्ड, ही इज लुकिंग वेरी हैंडसम, वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. वो आराम से जा रहा है एंड उसके दोस्त मिलते हैं और बोलते हैं यार अभिषेक तू तो बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है यार, राइट? एंड उसको बहुत सारे लोग कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, लुकिंग रियली स्मार्ट एंड ऑल. फिर सडनली क्या होता है, कोई आता है एंड बोलता है, मान लो प्रभात आता है, प्रभात आके बोलता है कि अभिषेक यार ये तूने क्या पहन लिया यार, ये सूट नहीं कर रहा है तेरे पे. तो सडनली क्या होता है अभिषेक को, कैसा लगता है अभिषेक को? अरे यार गया, यार प्रभात ने ऐसा बोल दिया, पूरा इवनिंग वहीं पे खत्म हो जाता है, राइट? सो गाइज आर नॉट करेक्ट एग्जाम्पल्स फॉर दिस. ये सेम चीज अगर कोई लड़कियों के साथ होता है ना, तो और ही ज्यादा खराब हालत. कभी कोई दूसरी लड़की बोल दे यार ये मेकअप अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, ये ड्रेस अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तेरे पे, पूरा खत्म वहीं पे, राइट? कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? प्रभात के बोलने से पहले अभिषेक को 10 लोग 10 कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स देते हैं कि यू आर लुकिंग सो गुड, यू आर लुकिंग सो स्मार्ट. बट एक कमेंट कि यार ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, ये सूट नहीं कर रहा तेरे पे, क्या होता है, स्टेट ऑफ माइंड की धज्जियां उड़ जाती है वहीं पे, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस. बवाल हो जाएगा, कोई लिख रहा है. सॉरी, गिव मी 1 सेकेंड. या सॉरी. यही होता है, so that mind is more cling towards negative comments, and when it happens, this is one thing I wanted to make you aware of कि क्यों हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस डाउन होता है. और यूजुअली तुम मान लो कि तुम्हें कोई प्रेजेंटेशन देना होता है, कहीं पे कुछ कोई कहीं पे परफॉर्म करना रहता है स्टेज पे, तो किस चीज का हमें डर होता है? क्या होता है, किस चीज का डर होता है? कि मुझसे कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाएगी और लोग हंसेंगे मेरे ऊपर, यही गड़बड़ होती है ना? ओके, नाउ जेन्युइनली मुझे बताओ कितने लोगों को यहाँ पे स्टेज फियर का इशू है? बताओ. Okay, right? So many of you have this issue of stage fear. But you know what? Some time later, मतलब अभी अगर भी नहीं, कहीं ना कभी you have to present yourself. आप कहीं भी वर्किंग फील्ड में जाते हो, you have to give lot of presentations, right? बहुत सारी जगह पे you have to do it. So this confidence factor is very 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 essential. आप में कॉन्फिडेंस होना बहुत जरूरी है. लेकिन अगर अभी आप में स्टेज फियर है, if you're not feeling that you're not that confident, don't worry. There are a lot of ways you can be more confident. There are ways, there are techniques, there are secrets that you can use, that you can apply. जैसे कि अभी आपको डर लग रहा है, you are feeling nervous, what should you do, right? Before going on an interview, before going for a presentation or anything. So there are many things that you can actually learn. Okay, so उसके बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे. Then let's understand the third thing, that is third C, that is clarity of mind, right? So first I spoke about concentration, then I spoke about confidence, then the third is clarity of mind. That is very essential. Like if you really want to be successful in life, you should have a clear goal, what you want to achieve. आपको क्या चाहिए लाइफ में? Otherwise you will be directionless. आप किसी भी डायरेक्शन में ऐसे मूव कर रहे होगे, एंड इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू। तो कहीं भी कोई डेस्टिनेशन में पहुंचने के लिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर ट्रैवलिंग, आप कहीं पे जा रहे हो एंड अगर रास्ते में बहुत ट्रैफिक है तो आपको अपने डेस्टिनेशन में पहुंचने के लिए समय लगता है, यू टेक टाइम, राइट? Similarly, when there is traffic in the mind, when there is no clarity, it also takes a lot of time to reach your destination, right? And what are these traffic? Mind के level पे क्या traffic होता है? Unwanted negative emotions, जिसे हम इमोशनल गार्बेज भी बोलते हैं। अच्छा, अब मुझे जेन्युइनली बताओ, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू फील एंग्री समटाइम्स? कभी कभी एकदम बहुत गुस्सा आता है, बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है, यू फील लाइक ब्रेकिंग समबडीज हेड, कि मिल जाए मेरे उसका सर फोड़ दूं, लगता है कभी कभी किसी को, है ना? और कितने लोगों को विदाउट एनी रीजन सडनली यू फील सैड, एवरीथिंग इज गुड एट होम, सब कुछ सही है, बट सडनली यू डोंट फील दैट एनर्जेटिक, यू डोंट फील दैट एंथुसियास्टिक, होता है बिना कारण के, सडनली यू फील सैड, यू फील लो, यू नो हैपेंस। यस, तो बहुत लोग रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं यस हैपेंस मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, होता है, राइट? सो दीज negative emotion, it can be anger, it can be hatred, it can be jealousy, you know this negative emotion actually lowers our productivity, है ना? अब मुझे बताओ कि when your mind can function better, when your mind is happy, when your mind is relaxed, or when your mind is agitated, frustrated, or full of anger and hatred, कब अच्छा काम कर सकता है आपका दिमाग? Okay, relaxed, absolutely right, yes. So that is the thing. So when your mind is relaxed, when you know how to handle your mind, you can have better productivity, you can have better learning abilities, which is very essential. कि आप कुछ सीखना चाह रहे हो तो आप में उतना learning ability होना चाहिए. And and being an IT professional since last 6 years, I tell you, you should have this learning ability. क्योंकि this industry is very rapidly changing. You have to be updated. Okay, so that's something. These three things are really, really essential: clarity of mind, confidence, and concentration. So now let's again discuss about concentration part. I'll speak more about it because all of you are students. So what you can do, so like I mentioned in the beginning, all these things are related to your mind. Science has reached up to something that is called our human brain. Science human brain tak pahuncha, and mind is much much more complex than that. Like, it is much complex, more complex than the human brain. So I'm going to share some interesting facts about brain, then I'll tell how you can have a better learning ability, right? So Abhishek, can we have the slide please? Abhishek, can you please share the slides? Yeah, thank you, Abhishek. So it's about mind. So please go to the next slide. Yes, so here, I'm going to share few interesting facts about human brain. Next slide, please. Yeah, yeah. So, our human brain has like 100 billions of neurons. इतना ज़्यादा, brain cells है हमारे brain में. And our brain keeps developing until late 40s. ऐसा नहीं कि we are born with some number of neurons and वो कभी बढ़ता नहीं है. Our brain keeps on developing. And also the brain tissues, the brain cells, they die. ऐसा नहीं, they also die. So we'll speak what are the effects of stress, what are the effects of negative emotion on our brain later on. But just know that our brain keeps on developing till late 40s. Next slide, please. Yeah. So your brain uses 20% of the total oxygen and blood in your body. This is very essential. I will discuss more facts about it. Just know that 20% of the oxygen from your blood, and lack of oxygen in the brain for 5 to 10 minutes can result in permanent brain damage, right? So this is something you should know. Now let's understand how learning happens. कैसे हम usually कैसे हम learning करते हैं, right? So usually we learn through different senses or efforts. Like senses में what, like we see, we have visual eyes, we hear, we taste something, we touch or we smell. Through these five senses we learn. Like we get gather information, we send it to our brain, or we learn through our efforts, through reading, through writing, or through teaching, or having discussions, or through different emotions we actually learn, right? And there is a research that if you see something, you retain 10% of that, like in your memory. अगर आप कुछ देख के सीख रहे हो तो usually उसका 10% आप retain करते हो. अगर if you hear something and you learn it, you retain 20% of that. And if you see and hear both, like like an audio visual effect, you tend to remain 50%. And if you discuss that same thing, like if you discuss the same thing with others, stay in that slide only. So if you discuss the same thing with others, you retain 75%. But if you teach the same thing to somebody else, when you teach a particular subject or whatever you have learned, you retain 95% of it, right? So this is something very interesting, right? So अगर आप कुछ देख रहे हो 10%, if you're learning through hearing, that is 20%, audio visual 50%, and when you discuss 75%, when you teach 95%. Okay, so next slide. Okay, so in an average, yeah, we'll talk about it. So in an average, you get 70,000 thoughts in a day. So this much complex is our brain, and so much of neural activities keep on happening. So 70,000 thoughts a day. New brain connections are created every time you form a memory. Now this is something you should understand, so whenever you learn something, आप कुछ भी सीख रहे हो, you get a new information, so an electric circuit is formed in the brain through the neurons. It forms an electrical circuit. And when you repeat it, somebody was asking about write, like when you write, when you repeat, that circuit becomes even stronger. Like for example, I'll give you one example. जब आप छोटे बच्चे थे, आपको पूछा जाता था आपका नाम क्या है, then sometimes initially आपको वो बोलने में याद करना पड़ता था कि my name is Mona Lisa or something like that when you're very small, like then आपको इतना फिर प्रैक्टिस हो गया, कभी भी आपको कोई पूछे कि आपका नाम क्या है, अभी अगर आप नींद में हो, गहरे नींद में हो, आपको कोई पूछेगा आपका नाम क्या है, you will suddenly tell it because the circuit has become very very strong, because you keep on repeating that, right? So when you write, when you repeat something, the circuit in the brain gets stronger for that particular learning. Okay, next slide. Abhishek, can you go to the next slide? Yeah, remember to repeat to remember. So what exactly happens? So when you repeat, over that neural circuit, it deposits a fatty layer. So that circuit becomes stronger. So what you can do, usually I have seen people like mugging up, like एक दिन में वो 5 बार 6 बार एक ही subject को पढ़ते हैं. That is not the way, right? So I have seen people, studying for semester exams one day before the exams, and एक chapter को पढ़ लिया, फिर से पढ़ लिया. It does not help. So for example, you studied something. आज आपने फिजिक्स का एक चैप्टर खत्म किया और केमिस्ट्री का कोई सब्जेक्ट खत्म किया. Then you take a gap. आप गैप दो और उसको 2 दिन बाद फिर से पढ़ो. Then that circuit becomes even stronger. So repeating on the same day 20 times is not good, but repeating that with few intervals. For example, you studied today, then you study tomorrow, then take a break, then study on the 4th day, then take a break on the 6th day. It is better than studying it for 20 times on the same day. Okay. Now forgetting Forgetting is good for brain. Deleting unnecessary information helps the nervous system to remain its plasticity. Now, what happens when you forget something? आप अगर कुछ भूल जाते हो तो क्या होता है, वो इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट जो बनता है आपका न्यूरन से फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर लर्निंग, वो थोड़ा हेजी हो जाता है. Now after some days, when for example when you know test yourself and you realize that you have forgotten it, then you study again, that circuit even becomes stronger. So in that sense it is good. And here, you know, deleting unnecessary information from your nervous system, that is very very essential. Deleting unnecessary, you know, information from the brain, like okay, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके पास एक हार्ड डिस्क है, लाइक यू हैव योर हार्ड डिस्क एंड उसमें यू नो बहुत सारे इंफॉर्मेशन, बहुत सारे डेटा, बहुत सारा डेटा है उसमें, बहुत सारे मूवीज है, फाइल्स है, एंड यू वांट टू ऐड समथिंग न्यू, आपको एक कुछ नया डेटा चाहिए. So how you can do that? You have to delete, you have to create some space, right? Similarly, many times in our brain there are a lot of negative emotions, like it can be anger, it can be regret, it can be jealousy, it can be very tough time, you know, it can be that traumatic effect of a breakup or anything. So that actually, you know, impacts your efficiency, that impacts your productivity of your brain. So flushing out those emotional garbages are very essential. Now, how to do it, I will tell you, right? I'll tell you later on in the subsequent you know, slides. But know that that is very essential. Flushing out those negative emotions. Okay. Now, how to deal with procrastination? This is something very essential. You know, usually एक स्टूडेंट करियर में या फिर कहीं भी एज अ प्रोफेशनल ऑल्सो ये बहुत ही खतरनाक चीज है. इफ यू नो इफ यू ऑलवेज प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट. प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन का क्या मतलब है? टालना. मतलब इट इज द सिंपली आपका दिमाग जब आपको बोलता है नो लेट्स नॉट डू दिस, लेट्स डू समथिंग एल्स, दिस इज नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको भी असाइनमेंट्स करने हैं, राइट? लेकिन आपका दिमाग क्या बोलेगा? नो लेट्स वॉच ए मूवी, दिस इज नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग, डूइंग योर असाइनमेंट्स इज नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग, कुछ और करते हैं. दैट इज प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन. प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन के साथ डील करना बहुत जरूरी है ना. हाउ टू डील विथ इट? फर्स्ट थिंग इज डू इट नाउ. जब भी आपका मन करे नो लेट्स डू इट लेटर ऑन, you do it now, because anyway you have to submit your assignment, anyway you have to do it, then why to, you know, why to postpone? Do it now. एंड ऐसा नहीं कि मान लो कि आपको फिजिक्स का पूरा बुक खत्म करना है. इट इज नॉट दैट यू डू इट एट वन गो, पूरा बुक खत्म कर दो. नो, मान लो यू डोंट लाइक सब्जेक्ट, डोंट लाइक द सब्जेक्ट, आपको फिजिक्स पसंद ही नहीं है, एंड योर माइंड ऑलवेज प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट अबाउट दैट. लेट्स नॉट स्टडी फिजिक्स, लेट्स स्टडी समथिंग एल्स. So you rather at that time you tell your mind, no, let's do it now. So start studying physics, study for like 1 hour or like half an hour. Study, don't study too much, but study a little. And उसके बाद क्या करना है? Take a break, right? Study for some time, take a break and reward yourself. Because you studied physics for half an hour or 1 hour, just do something nice, eat something that you like. So that way what will happen, it will create a pattern in your brain that studying physics is something very interesting, right? So that way you can deal with procrastination. So I know in engineering you will find a lot of opportunities jahan pe you can really use it, because you will find a lot of interesting stuffs to do when there are chances to submit your assignments and all that things, and you will prefer to watch a movie and all, right? So this is the way. Do it, take a break and reward yourself, then again do it, right? Okay, next slide please. Okay, learning mantras. So this is really essential, this is really good. Like somebody was asking about writing, it is important to write, because you know many people prefer to type. Don't type, rather you write, because when you write, like I mentioned, it is a kind of repetition. It makes the circuit even stronger, so it stays in our memory for a longer time. And it is easily that way, you can easily access that information. When you write, it becomes a stronger impression, and you can easily access that thing. It's like moving from a 2G speed to 4G speed, right? Then practice, recall and test. like whatever have you studied, जो भी आपने पढ़ाई किया, it is essential that you repeat, you practice it, then you remember it. Like you do a self analysis, like what have you remembered, and you test yourself, like ask yourself complex questions about that subject to check your depth, you know, and about your understanding on that subject. Then intertwine. What is intertwine? Don't read a single subject for whole, I mean for the entire day. I have seen many people studying one subject for like entire day. Like if they're studying physics, they just keep on doing that. Chemistry, keep on doing. No, that's not good. For example, you study physics for 1 hour, then take a break, then study chemistry, then take a break, then do some mathematics, then take a break. Now, I keep on saying that take a break, take a break. That break is really essential. You know, studying for 6 hours, 7 hours in a go is not advisable, because you know our brain has two kind of focus, you can say. Like there is, like we have a very focused conscious brain. Like when you actually entirely focused on a subject, when you study, when you practice something, when you do some calculations, that time that focused brain is being utilized. But when you take a break, when you do some relaxation, that time what happens, it is works on that information. It is very essential to take a break, right? So study for 1 hour, take a break for half an hour. That is always good. It should not be reverse. Like ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आधा घंटा पढ़ाई करके आप 1 घंटा break ले रहे हो. It should be like that. Okay. So take a break. Your brain also needs some relaxation. Okay. Next slide, please. Okay. So you can drop the slide share now. I'll come back to it later. Okay. So did you understand like how you can actually learn in a better way, है ना? So usually हम क्या करते हैं, एक ही सब्जेक्ट लेके पढ़ाई करते हैं या फिर मगअप करते रहते हैं. नो, दैट इज नॉट द वे. इसीलिए क्या होता है, एक रात पहले एग्जामिनेशन के अगर तुम पढ़ाई करते हो, इवन तो तुम उसको 50 बार पढ़ते हो, वो याद नहीं रहती है. Rather you should do it in a different way, right? You should know how to deal with procrastination, how to improve the productivity of your brain, right? So these are few aspects, but you know whatever I shared, these are facts, these are, you know, these are something like theory I'm giving. So there are practical tools, there are techniques which actually helps having a better mind, you know, having a improved you know brain, and I'll say having that clarity in your mind, which is very essential, right? So all these things I shared, these are like tips that you can use. Now let's understand what are the real mind hacks. What can you do to handle your mind in a better way? So ये सारी चीजें जो है, जो मैंने आपको थियोरेटिकली बताई, उससे बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि आप प्रैक्टिकल टूल्स कैसे यूज कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू नो, आई टोल्ड लाइक यू हैव टू स्टडी, यू हैव टू राइट, यू नो, ऑल दैट स्टफ, बट आपका मन ही नहीं कर रहा है पढ़ाई करने का. नो, आपको सब, जैसे घर में हमें सब कोई बोलते हैं ना, यू शुड हैव कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन दे के पढ़ाई कर. अभी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन नहीं हो रहा है, व्हाट शुड आई डू? एम आई मेकिंग सेंस? समझ में आ रही है बात? हमें पता है ये कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होता है फोकस्ड एंड रिलैक्स स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. अभी माइंड फोकस्ड एंड रिलैक्स नहीं है, व्हाट शुड आई डू? डू यू वांट टू नो व्हाट शुड यू डू at that point of time? Yes, that is essential. Similarly, I spoke about emotional garbages. घर में हमें सबको ही बोलते हैं कि यू नो गुस्सा मत करो, गुस्सा मत करो, राइट? या फिर कोई बोलते हैं इट्स नॉट गुड टू हैव दैट मच ऑफ एंगर. बट अभी मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है, आई एम फीलिंग डिप्रेस्ड. You know, at this age it happens. So what to do? How to come out of it? These things are really essential. You know, you, if you really want to be successful in life, you should know how to handle your mind, right? Similarly for confidence also, you know, you should be confident when you are giving a presentation. You know, you should have a perfect body language and whatever, you have prepared the subject in a proper way, but aapko nervousness ho rahi hai, what should you do, राइट? सो ये सारी चीजें बहुत एसेंशियल है ना, ये सारी चीजें आप सीख सकते हो, यू नो. So there is a beautiful workshop, you know, which keeps on happening in your college, and every year they conduct this workshop for the first year students, that is called Yes Plus. It stands for Youth Empowerment and Skills Workshop, And there in that workshop, they teach you real practical tools where you can really have improved level of concentration, focus, confidence. You can have that clarity of mind and many more interesting facts. It is a power packed program that a youth, that is specially designed for the youth, right? It has been designed by two IITians, Khurshid Batliwala and Dinesh Kodke, and it has been a part of credit course in many universities all across the globe, like in Stanford University, in Harvard University, in Yale universities, in India, in IITs and IIMs, in many premier institutes, including CV Raman, right? So there, every year they conduct this program. There you can come and you can really learn many things. Today what I shared is just like, giving you a little bit information because of the time, how much I can share, you know and now let's understand the hacks, little bit of hacks that I'll give you, जो आप use कर सकते हो. So Abhishek, can we have the slide again? Somebody has written sleep. So अगर concentration नहीं हो रहा है तो उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. Can we have the slide? Yeah. So first hack is exercise. You know, you should exercise every day. It is very, very, very essential. So I mentioned, you remember, like, we have 100 billions of neurons in our brain, and with time the brain tissues also die, the brain cells also die, and our brain keeps on developing till late 40s. So we have something called hippocampus in your brain. So when you exercise, it actually produces new brain cells, right? So it is very essential that you do some exercise, right, every day. So next slide. Yes, sleep. Sleep is very, very essential, guys. I know at this age, many of you are addicted to different video games, and you have PS4, PS5, and PUBG, whatnot, Netflix. So to keep you awake whole night, but sleep deprivation has a very, very bad effect on your brain. So let me give you more insight about it. Whatever, whenever we learn something, whenever we learn something, it there are a lot of neural activities in our brain. कभी भी हम कुछ सीखते हैं, कुछ काम करते हैं, there are a lot of neural activities in our brain. So whenever some activity is happening, it produces some garbage in the brain also, which is called beta aniline, right? And it is very harmful for the brain. So what happens when you go to sleep? जब भी हम सोते हैं, the cerebrospinal fluid, the fluid that cleanses that beta aniline, that brain shit, from your brain tissues. So that is very essential. That is a very essential process. So sleep deprivation has a very, very bad effect. So sleep, right? इसलिए बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, जब बहुत ज्यादा माइंड फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाता है, टेंस्ड हो जाता है, जाके सो जाते हैं. बट एवरी टाइम इट इज नॉट, यू डोंट हैव टू डू इट. फोकस नहीं है, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन नहीं है, तो इट इज नॉट दैट कि आप कि आप बस सो जाओ, कि अभी पढ़ाई करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, सो जाओ. दैट इज लाइक ए प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन ओनली, कि योर माइंड इज टेलिंग ओके स्टडिंग इज नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग, लेट्स गेट इनटू स्लीप. स्लीप 8 आवर्स अ डे, 8 घंटा आप सो, विच इज एसेंशियल. 24 घंटे में से 8 घंटे में आपको सोना चाहिए to keep a healthy brain, keep a clean brain. Okay, so next slide please. Abhishek, next slide. Yeah. So the third thing is meditation. Remember, in the beginning, I spoke about a lot of emotional garbages. Like I told that when there is too much information and you really want to, delete some information, you really want to flush out some information, in our brain, we don't have a delete button. So when you meditate, when you do some breathing exercise, it actually helps in having a better mental and physical, well-being. It increases your productivity. It increases your awareness, your learning ability. So there are a lot of research about meditation all across the globe. It is very, very, very beneficial, but still people don't do it. So if you're not doing it, start doing it. Because if you see many successful people in today's world, they meditate, right? to keep a better well-being, physical, mental, and emotional well-being. So thank you, Abhishek. You can drop the slideshow. Yeah. Yes, so somebody has asked this question about Yes Plus. Yes, this is an Art of Living workshop, and where you actually get lot of practical tools and techniques that you can, utilize. For example, I mentioned that there is a technique which you can practice just before studying to have that focus. You can do something to have, to deal with that nervousness. So many things are there. So I would personally invite you to come and participate in the Yes Plus program because I did that program 7 years back when I was in my third year of engineering. Unfortunately, I got a chance to do it in my third year, but you guys are luckier that every year your college organizes this program for the first year students, right? So you can do it. And also, I would suggest one thing, that grab the opportunity. Many times what happens, something is good for you, but you always wait. Your mind also procrastinate. Nahi, baad mein karte. Don't do that. At that time, fool your brain. You tell, anyways, it's a good thing, I should do it, then why to postpone, right? Always grab the opportunity you get, right? So now what we'll do, we'll watch a small video, well, 2-3 minutes about the Yes Plus experience, so that you can know more about the program, and then we'll speak something more and we'll wind up the session. Can we have the video, please?
I used to be a person who was afraid to go out and do something which I liked.
People of my age, they will have problems with their parents, understanding their parents and what they think.
I had back pain, and then I had a lot of stress problem.
I think I lacked confidence, concentration.
My mind always went back and forth between the past and the present, of what I will do next and what I did.
Actually, I had communication problems first of all.
Faced a lot of difficulties, like for my exams and all that stuff.
I didn't believe that somebody can help me in this way, right? Or something can help me in this way.
Like what and all I had before just changed into positive manner.
I feel like very light now. I feel much better. I haven't felt like this for like past 6 to 7 years.
What I really enjoyed in the course was Sudarshan Kriya. It was not only about the yoga sessions and all that. They really helped us in interacting with each other, because this is like the beginning of our college, so we don't know anybody around here.
I feel light about everything. I had anxiety issues. I think that's reduced in this past 4 days.
So many memories that I will carry, because I don't share that much. But because of this course, it really helped me share all my thoughts.
I become self-confident more. Now I can speak loudly and without nervousness.
It has been a great experience and a life-changing experience, I can say from now.
I cannot express in words. It was really nice. I think I'll continue this, and it will definitely have a positive impact on my life.
It was really fun working with a group of people together and doing something, making a difference in the campus.
I think everyone should try this once in their lifetime. It's a really great experience, and I think it will get a change in your life.
Okay. So, did you like it? Did you like the video? Yes, no? Yes? Yeah. So that's why, in many universities, it is part of the credit course. In many universities, they conduct it for the students, right? So you're lucky in your college also, it keeps on happening. And there is a Yes Plus club. Once doing the program, you'll be part of this club as well, So I just wanted to say that for anything you want to achieve, कुछ भी आपको सीखना है, learning, you have to invest your time, you have to invest your effort, and you have to invest your money, right? जैसे कि अभी आप engineering पढ़ रहे हो सीवी रमन में, you have to invest your time, effort, money, right? You have to give some time to study, you have to be present, you have to attend the classes, you have to give your effort, and you have to give some money to study the subject. Similarly, for this program, 3 things are required. So good news is that even this program keeps on happening offline. This time it is happening online for you guys. So the trainers who are coming for teaching you all, I mean teaching this Yes Plus program, they are super amazing. Like Mr. Sham and Ashna, they are like the faculties who have taken courses in IITs, and they've interacted with thousands of students all across India. So they are super amazing faculties, and you are going to enjoy the sessions with them. There are a lot of fun, a lot of learning, and I cannot just describe, right? so this program is happening for you from 24th to 27th of December, like during Christmas. This is Christmas special Yes Plus, and it will be happening in the evening from 6:30 to 9 p.m. Right? So 2.5 hours for 4 days. So many learning, so many things you are going to really enjoy. So can we have the poster? Yes. So we can see in the poster, this is the poster for Yes Plus program. And yes, like I mentioned, so the time for this program is 6:30 to 9 p.m. So you have to invest this much of time. You have to, effort is only that you have to come online. You have to be present for the session. You have to be available for the session. And money, there is a registration fees for this program, which is 2,000 rupees, right? Thank you, Abhishek. And another thing that I forgot to mention, this is a certified program. So once you do it, you get a Yes Plus certificate, which has a lot of value, and you can definitely use it in your CV, because I had used that in my CV. Like when I went for the 4th year placement, I had used that certificate, because it says a lot of things. It says that you have a decent IQ, EQ, and SQ. IQ stands for intelligent quotient, EQ stands for emotional quotient, and SQ stands for social quotient. And I tell you, all these things are essential. Like once again, I tell you, we have invested a lot of things about the domain knowledge aspect. Now it is really essential that we really know how to handle our mind, how to really work on this soft skill aspect. And Yes Plus is that opportunity. Yes Plus is actually that journey from mediocrity to excellence. So I will personally say, just come and experience it. So somebody was asking me whether I am an engineering student or medical, I have engineering or medical background. So I have engineering background, but I am a trainer. So I am a software engineer. I work as a senior project engineer. Along with that, I teach people, I train people. So I do have a lot of information, how to have better productivity at workplace and many more things. So it was really nice meeting you all, really nice interacting with you all. Did you like the session? Yes, no? Yes. So will you come for Yes Plus? Yes. So do come, do enjoy in that program.